What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nanu Garage coming back at it with the best Shelby content out here on YouTube. And this right here is my friend's Shelby Gt350 that is fully catless. Catless mid-pipes on this thing. It absolutely screams. Many people have asked me down below in the comment section since I've gone catless, how loud really is it, and can you get some exterior clips of it? So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly on a map how far the car is away. We're going to get around half a mile to a full mile out away from the car, from the camera, and we're gonna see how loud that noise is. This car, you can hear it from everywhere. My friend also has a Catless GT350. It is so loud, but with the valves closed, it's just whisper quiet. So I made a video on how beneficial the valves are, so you can check it out right up over here. So now let's go ahead and hop up in the car, but just admire this really quick. Look at how dirty this thing is. I haven't washed it in a little while. To be exact, I haven't washed it in about 10 days. And that is because 744 miles. This is all in like the last 10 days. I've been putting so many miles on this thing. Absolutely loving this car. I got an exterior clip of you shooting flames. All right, send please. Anyways, if you don't know who Mathab is, this is Mathab right over here with the tan GT350. Go ahead and check out that YouTube video right up over here because his GT350 is also catless. So I got to hear another catless GT350 next to me with my windows down, and holy crap, it is so stupidly loud. So that road right up there is right here on my phone, and right there I'm gonna put my camera down. So let's go ahead and add a point, and we're gonna go in straight up a straight line. I'm gonna drive all the way down here, flip a U-turn right up here, which is going to be 0.8 miles away, and I guarantee you guys are going to be able to hear the car the whole entire time. So there you can see that is 0.8 miles away on this whole entire line down this street. Also, in other words, let's go ahead and swipe down here and see what Mathab sent me, the flame video. Let's go ahead and play this on the big screen. Yes, no tune, no nothing, just O2 spacers on the car, no check engine light, the car shoots flame. If you haven't seen the flame video that I made, go check it out right up over here. The flame video is nuts. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, let's throw the camera down right over there, and let's go ahead and hit the road. So that right there was up to 4,000 RPMs, not above 4,000 RPMs at all. Now we're gonna go ahead and head down there, not doing anything crazy speed-wise, but we're gonna go ahead and rev it out all the way to 8,000 RPMs so you guys can really hear how much it screams at high RPMs. I'm hoping that it picked it up pretty nicely. It's just so stupid how loud it is. But man, this thing is so loud. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG. This thing sounds like an absolute riot. Also, sorry for the lack of uploads lately. I've just been super busy with life. And what in the world is that? Anyways, that concludes today's YouTube video. Make sure you guys all go watch that video of me and my boy Mathab tearing it up, the GT350's flame video that I made, and the valve video if you're curious to how beneficial the valves are with the car and the little things that I noticed with it being catless now. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jiyan beataan, sari diyan streetan. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.